Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Trade Confessions. This is your Hari. Let me introduce about myself and the purpose of creating this YouTube channel. I am a swing trader doing trading in equity market using simple price action methods. Also, this is not my original voiceover. This is AI created voice. The reason for this is that I am having a speaking disability commonly known as stammering. So I need to type everything that what I am going to speak and convert it to the AI voice for this video. There is one more thing I need to tell you guys. I am not a full-time trader. I am a working professional and I am doing trading as my secondary source of income. In my initial stage of trading, I struggled more and lost some money. But once I get my edge in trading, all the struggles looks worthy. So many of us are struggling to get consistent money from trading. But only few people are making consistent income from trading. So every trader knows price action patterns, support and resistance, trend lines, etc. But why everyone can't make consistent money? What makes them different from us? These are the questions that most of us are looking answers for. Well, now our channel is going to teach the answer for these questions. What are the techniques that they are following? We are going to see deeply about the details that we need to take into account when we are entering in a trade. So why am I going to teach trading at no cost? Let me tell you, I have been doing trading for the past 5 years. The first year was so difficult. I had no idea what I was doing. I was taking trades randomly suggested by some Telegram channels. If I get a message from the channel to buy some stocks at some price, I just bought it and wait for the profits to come. But only after washed out my first capital, I realized I was doing something wrong. The good thing was I never used big amount in my initial stages. Only like 50,000, 75,000, even though I had more money in my savings. Then I decided to learn the proper trading and I need to someone to teach me. I searched about trading classes in the internet and all the courses are so expensive. Then my brother introduced me to his friend and he is also a trader. I asked his help to learn the trading and he agreed. He is my guru in trading and he taught me everything he knows in trading and explained everything based on his past trades to understand easily. He never charged even a penny for this. This is when I decided that once I became profitable trader, I am going to teach this for free like him. So this is the purpose of creating this YouTube channel. Basically, I am going to teach the methods and techniques that I am following for my trading, the logic behind the trades, entry, target, and stop loss, everything. Now you can ask, there are so many YouTube channels out there teaching the same thing. So why is this YouTube channel different than other channels? Let me explain. Most of the YouTube channels only teach the trading techniques theoretically and analyze the old charts and show you their patterns. But the question is, did they take that trade and made profit out of it? No one knows. Only few YouTube channels are teaching the real trading techniques with the real profit and loss statements. But these channels also have their own paid courses and ask their subscribers to join the courses. Initially, they show few of their trade and profit and ask to join their course to know fully about the strategy they are using. But in our channel, I am going to teach the logic behind all my trades with the real profit and loss statement, the entry, exit, stop loss, and target, everything here in our channel. You guys don't need to join any paid courses. Also, I am going to teach the important small details that you need to know when you are entering in a trade. Please note, I am not saying that paid courses are wrong. I am just saying how our channel is different from the other channels in YouTube. So this is going to be very interesting and worth to watch. If you guys watch this much video with patience, I think you guys are one step ahead because patience is very important skill in trading. That's it guys. I don't want to take any of your time further. Thank you guys for watching this video and don't miss our next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to regularly watch our videos.